With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So question given is 1 gram of X has atoms arranged in cubic packing so as to give best packing frequency. Okay. Then the possible arrangement is what? Okay. Here there are 4 given options and from these we have to choose one. Okay. So the given thing is that 1 gram of X is arranged in cubic packing, right? Is arranged in cubic packing. And also one more given thing is that it is packed to give the best efficiency, correct? Efficiency. Hence, we know that the best packing efficiency is how much? Best packing efficiency is equal to 74%, right? And 74% is for what? 74% is done for FCC, correct? Hence, the correct option will be face-centered cubic, this one.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.